In our HTML tutorial, we've talked about important links and meta tags that go inside the head element. Remember, these tags provide information about our page but don't show up in the browser. Now, when we want to display content on the page, we need to put it inside the body element. And this lecture will demonstrate how to use the div element to design the structure of a page. Hello guys, welcome back. Alright, let's imagine that we want to create this web page using HTML. So, where should we begin? The very first step is to determine the different sections that make up our page. We should also determine the smaller components within each section. Similarly, we need to identify all the parts of the page. Now, for each of these parts, let's use a div element. Okay, the first part of the page is the biggest part, and it represents the entire page. To represent this part, we use the body element. This page has four main sections: the page header, the navigation, the main content, and the footer. To organize these sections inside the body element, we'll use four div elements, one for each section. First, we create a div tag for the header. Then, we create another div tag for the navigation. After that, we make a div tag for the main content. Finally, we create a div tag for the footer. Alright, inside the navigation section, we have another section that displays a list of items. To represent this inner section, we place a div element inside the navigation div. On the other hand, the main content section is divided into two parts. To represent these parts, we'll use two div elements within the main content section. The left part of the main content section has three other parts, while the right part has two other parts. So, we'll define three div elements for the left part and two div elements for the right part. Keep in mind that these divisions can be different based on our opinion. For instance, someone might divide this section into three parts and consider this header as a separate part. Okay, now that we've finished segmenting our page, let's discuss the div element. The div tag is used to create a division or section in an HTML document. We can place any type of content inside the div tag. Alright, every HTML element has a default display value, which determines how it's presented on the page. The two most common display values are blog and inline. The div element is a blog level element. A blog level element always occupies the full available width, stretching from left to right. Also, each HTML element has some default CSS styles provided by the browser. Okay, let's inspect the page and select a div tag to see the default CSS styles applied by Chrome to the div element. As you can see, the Chrome browser treats the dev element as a blog level element. At the end, you should know that this page is constructed using different elements. In the upcoming lectures, we'll discuss these elements and finalize the design of the page. Okay, done. See you soon.